special video. My name is Skate Girl. Do you want to watch my video? Watch my video right now. Ow! I hurt my toe. Ouch! 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 I can't even walk on it. I need to hop. Oh, I can't even touch it. That way it's ouchy. Are you okay, Skate Girl? No, Bobby! I hurt my leg! I just have to go where? Okay. Do you got a band-aid for me? I've been riding on my skateboard. I got a band-aid for you. I left my band-aids at home. And someone got band-aids? Okay. I think I got band-aid. Okay. And to me, maybe both of you can get the one band-aid. Okay. I can't even hold it together. Okay. Guys, bye. Look, guys, look at my band-aid. It's right over here. I'm not going to never ride on my skateboard. You love skating. Do you, Skate Girl? I know I'm not gonna do it again. Do you want to skateboard again? I think I'm gonna skateboard again now. Right? I love skateboarding. Okay. That hurts. Oh, I know. I just skate on my skateboard. That's bad. Okay. Are you gonna go to a doctor? No. This is the end. Bye from Skate Girl. Bye. Bye.